In this video, let me walk you through the tools that will be needed for this course. The first and foremost is Visual Studio 2019, which will be the IDE for this course. Visual Studio 2022 will be launched later this year, so even if you use that, it should work as expected. The next important tool is SQL Server. We need to see database and will be creating many databases for our APIs. So make sure that you have SQL Server 2018 installed with the Management Studio. Next tool is dotnet 6. We will be implementing the APIs in dotnet 6. And the last one is an active Azure subscription. Now if you sign up for a free trial, you will get $200 of free credit that will be sufficient for this course. Actually, for this course, you will only require $10 because when we learn the communication between microservices, we will have to sign up for Azure Service Bus, and that's the only thing that won't be free. But other than that, everything that we will do here with Azure or anything else is absolutely free. So with that, let's continue from the next video.